and 7 pens cost together rupees 50, and 7 pencils and 5 pens cost together rupees 46. What will be the cost of one pencil and one pen? One important thing is in problem sums, you need to read the questions very properly. Word to word, you read the question properly, try to understand and make the equation accordingly. After making the equations, there is nothing more to do. So do read the questions very properly and solve according to that. 5 pencils and 7 pens. So very first, we will assume let the cost of a pencil be rupees X and that of a pen be rupees Y. The cost of pencil is X rupees and cost of the pen will be Y rupees. It is cost of one pencil and one pen. Now read the question. 5 pencils, the cost of one pencil is what? X rupees. The cost of 5 pencils is rupees 5x. Cost of 7 pens, that is rupees 7. For 5 pencils 5x rupees and 7 pens 5y rupees. So from this we can write the equation as 5x plus 7y is equal to this total is given 50. So it is equation number 1. In second statement, 7 pencils. So cost of 7 pencils is 7x rupees and the 5 pens are there. The cost of 5 pens is 5. So from this we can write another equation as 7x plus 5y is equal to total is given 46. That is equation number 2. The first equation has 5 in x coefficient and second has 7 as x coefficient. To make them equal, first equation we multiply by 7. So 5 sevens are 35 and second equation we multiply by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. It would be equal. Now writing over here 5 into 7, the first equation is written as 35x plus that is 49y is equal to 350 and second equation is 35x plus 25y and what about 46 into 5? 230. Okay. Changing the sign now, minus, minus and minus. So 35 and 35 cancel. 45 minus 25 is what? 24y is equal to, this will be what? 120. Okay, so y equals to what? 120 by 24. Y is what? 24. 5 is 120. Value of y is 5. This value of y we substitute in any equation, putting y equals to 5 in equation number 1. Where is equation number 1? 5x plus 7y. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. 5x, the value of y is what? 5 is equal to 50. So 5x plus 35 is 50. 5x is 50, 35 on the other side minus 35. 5x is equal to this 15. So x equals to 15 by 5 is what? 3. Now conclusion is cost of one pencil. Cost of a pencil is rupees 3 and that of pen